Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about one of the common problems which we face while browsing internet. You may be browsing your internet and it was working fine, but suddenly you get an error message that the proxy server is refusing connections. Now what is this proxy server? A proxy server is an application. It may be an application or it may be a server which comes in between the client computer and the server. Suppose if I am trying to access a website from my computer, such as YouTube, then there may be a there may be a server, or there may be an application which comes in between my computer and the server, that is YouTube. Mainly these proxy servers, they are used for security purpose, so that the client computer can be anonymous, they can hide behind and visit the website. Or the proxy servers may be used for speeding up the internet when you are browsing a website. Proxy server, generally the web proxy server, they will store the data whatever you are browsing in the web browser in the form of a cache memory, so that next time when you load the website you don't need to again visit the server again. That can be retrieved from the proxy server. So it's application, it's an server which is in between the client and the main server. Now if you are when you are taking an internet connection from a particular carrier, then there may be a proxy server that the carrier used. But if there is no proxy server, then you may get this type of message when you are viewing or when you are trying to use the internet. Then how to remove this troubleshoot? For this one, we need to go to the, let us see what is the information or what is the error message at first. The proxy server is refusing connection. Firefox is configured to use a proxy server that is refusing connections. And what you need to do is we need to check the proxy settings to make sure that they are correct, and we need to contact our network administrator to make sure the proxy server is working. Now my network administrator doesn't use any proxy server, so I need to see what is the problem here. So for that I will go to settings, I'll go to control panel, then I'll go to internet options. Let me check where is the internet option here. Okay, it's here. I'll go to connection tab, then let me click on this local area network settings. Now when I click on this box, I can see that there is a title called proxy server, and under the title proxy server it's written here, use a proxy server for LAN or and bypass proxy server for local address. So I need to remove the tick mark from this checkbox and click on apply, and then click on OK. Now again let me try to visit this website. I was trying to visit this website google.com and I got this error message. Let me retry again. Now this time I can see that the Google website is open in my web browser. So this is how you can correct this problem of proxy server and enjoy your internet connection again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.